And I don't know, her name is Isaiah. Yeah. Mga bata rin nandyan, no? Mga bata. Hi, Isaiah. Oh, thank you, Marnie, for subscribing. Thank you, Ellie. Yeah, they subscribe. Marnie and Marnie too subscribe. Thank you, Marnie. Say Marnie. Jilana, say Marnie. Yeah, there you go. Again. She said, welcome. Oh, it's 7 p.m. here. 7 p.m. in Alaska. It's still dark. It's still light. 7 p.m. and sunny. That's why Jilana is still playing. Where are you going? Yeah, just watch her video. She always on live. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, your friends are waiting. Oh, daddy's gonna go. Thank you, Chai. What is that? Oh, egg. Yeah, she had Jilana. No, it's 7 p.m. here. 7:10. Yes, anak. Are you done? It's sunny there. You wanna there? You want in the sun? Okay, you want in the sun? You need egg? Oh, 3 years old. Hi, Maribel. Where you going? This is Jilana's sandbox. You guys, I thought you're gonna be here. She's playing dirt. She's pretending making cake. Is that a cake, Jilana? Let me see your egg. Yeah, we do have a Roblox. Jilana, do you have a Roblox?